Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to log out of ByBit application. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official ByBit website, so I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to log out of ByBit app. So this is an official answer by their representative. So you just have to open the ByBit app or website, go to the account settings or profile section, look for the logout or sign out option, click on it to log out of your ByBit account, and the fifth step is to just confirm the logout if prompted, and that's it. And that's how you successfully log out of ByBit application. Alternatively, if you are on their website, you can just go to their website like this, and here once you are signed into your account, you just have to click on the three lines in the top right corner and click on sign out. There will be an option to in this menu which will say sign out once you are logged into your account. So this is how you sign out of the ByBit website as well. So if you found this video, by the way, it's pretty similar on the application as well, so this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.